The details of alumni in this video have been blurred to protect their privacy. Hi everyone, it's Josh from the Alumni Relations team at Sussex here. This video is going to show you how to use the new video chat function on Sussex Connect, the university's exclusive e-mentoring and networking platform. Using the video chat, you can have one-to-one conversation in real time with other members of the Sussex community, for example to get industry insights from alumni in the field of work you're hoping to get into. To begin with, you need to decide who to chat with and message them to arrange a meeting. You can use the directory to begin your search. For tips on using the directory or finding a mentor, check out our other videos in the resources section of Sussex Connect and on the University of Sussex Alumni Network YouTube channel. So in my case, I want to speak with my colleague Armin. So I type her name in the search bar of the directory and then click on her profile. Just below their name, you can see a series of options, and if I click message, I can suggest that we meet at a given time. I've already arranged this meeting though, so I'm going straight to the video chat. And a little box comes up confirming if that's what I want to do, and so I will click that to start it. Then another screen will pop up, showing you your camera and your settings. From here we click to join meeting, and here we are. So if you look in the top right, you can see from Armin's screen that she's received a notification saying I'd like to speak with her. So it might just take a few seconds to load up. Hi Armin.
Hi Josh.
Thank you for arranging to meet me today. It's good to see you.
Good to see you too. I'm looking forward to it.
First off, would you just mind taking us through the different functions on the video chat?
Yeah, so just like Zoom, there are a couple of options that you can go for at the bottom of the screen. You can mute, you can turn your camera on and off, and you can even share your screen. And if you want to end the call, you just have to click on the little red phone tab.
Sweet. And do you have a top tip for using the video chat on Sussex Connect?
Yeah, the only thing that we need to keep in mind is that do not close the window or change the window, because that might end the call.
Thank you very much, Armin. That's really helpful.
Thank you. Bye-bye.
Take care. So when I want to end the call, I just click the red phone here, and that's all done. It's as easy as that to use the video chat call function. You'll also find these easy steps with screenshots in the resources section of Sussex Connect, inside the Using Sussex Connect folder. Happy networking. For more information on using Sussex Connect, go to youtube.com/c/University of Sussex Alumni Network. You can also check out our resources section at sussexconnect.org/resources. You can find the links for these in the description of this video.